Today's video is going to be a 1963 Corvette split window that I recorded at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. The seller didn't leave any information on this vehicle, so what I noticed is that it was a base motor 327 with 250 horsepower with a 4-speed transmission, and it also had power windows, and it had the red interior. It had the spinner hubcaps, and it sold for $89,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. That's today's featured car of the day, a 1963 Corvette split window in ermine white with the dark red interior with the base motor 327 V8 with 250 horsepower with the 4-speed transmission, power windows, spinner hubcaps, and it sold for $89,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. If you could share this video in my channel Car Finder with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you again on the next one.
Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.